In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy planes in Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of the platform where you are playing Microsoft Flight Simulator, you will be able to browse through and purchase new aircrafts to use in this simulator. In order to find these aircrafts and acquire them from the home screen of the game, go over to Marketplace. So as you can clearly see, it is one of the main options before you actually start flying. So go over to the Marketplace. In there, you will have some recommendations that you might see in these big panels, but the main focus is going to be under the full catalog. So what I recommend is that you choose full catalog. Keep in mind that most of the items available here, including most planes, will be paid, but you do have a free section. So if you just want to see the free items, you can use this menu at the top. But if you go over to the full catalog, you will then be able to browse through everything, paid or free. So the price will be displayed in your local currency. Some items might be on sale, so you will see the price displayed here crossed over, and you can choose to purchase any of them. Like I said, this will work for any platform, so consoles such as Xbox or PC, and you can browse through all of the categories available. So if you only want to see aircrafts, make sure that you choose the option here, you toggle it, and you will be good to go. There are other toggles available, as you can clearly notice: airports, living worlds, avionics, landmarks, and so on. And of course, you can purchase whichever one satisfies your needs. You can sort them by creators, ratings, platform, sales, bundles, and you can choose the option to hide the ones that you already have. So find any aircraft that you would like to purchase. When you select them, you can also see previews of how it looks in game, and you can try it out. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy planes in Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.